64th question is, which of the following molecules represents the order for hybridization sp2, sp2, sp, sp from left to right atoms? So, so we have to find the which of the following molecules represents the order of hybridization sp2, sp2 and sp, sp from left to right. From this side to this side, which of the following molecule represent sp2, sp2, sp and sp? So the answer is third one. This is solution is CH2, sp2, sp2, sp and sp. Number of orbital required in hybridization is equals to number of alpha bonds around each carbon atoms. So this is the solution. The third one, CH2, CH minus C, CH.